The 2018 Toyota Sequoia. Sequoia is perfect for any adventure, offering spacious comfort and style for up to 8 passengers. With Sequoia, peace of mind comes standard with 8 airbags, including an all-row side curtain airbag. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, fog lights, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.